Is Elon Musk about to change human history forever? Because SpaceX is now preparing for one of the most dangerous and important rocket tests ever attempted. The biggest and most powerful rocket in the world, Starship, is getting ready for Flight 12, and experts believe this giant machine could one day carry humans to Mars. For decades, space travel has been extremely expensive and limited. Traditional rockets were used only once before crashing into the ocean and being destroyed forever. Every launch cost billions of dollars, but SpaceX changed the entire space industry by introducing reusable rockets. Instead of destroying rockets after launch, SpaceX developed boosters that can return safely back to Earth and land again. This technology shocked the world because it made space missions much cheaper and faster. And now SpaceX wants to take that technology to a completely different level with Starship. This massive rocket is overall 400 feet tall and more powerful than any rocket ever built before. Elon Musk says Starship is not just for satellites or scientific missions. His dream is much bigger than that. He wants humans to return to the moon, build permanent bases there, and eventually create cities on Mars. But reaching Mars is far more difficult than most people realize. The journey would take months. Astronauts would face extreme radiation, dangerous temperature, isolation, and serious survival challenges. That is why Starship is being designed as one of the most advanced space vehicles ever created. But the road to success has not been easy. Previous Starship test flight included massive explosions, failed landings, engine failure, and rockets breaking apart in the sky. Some launches ended only minutes after liftoff. Huge fireballs filled the air as rockets lost control during testing. However, Elon Musk continues saying something very important. He believes failure is part of the learning process. According to him, rapid testing is the fastest way to improve technology. Instead of waiting years between launches, SpaceX prefers testing rockets continuously and learning from every mistakes. And that is exactly why Flight 12 is now so important. This mission is expected to test upgraded Raptor engines, stronger heat cell, improved flight systems, and a redesigned Super Heavy booster. If the mission succeeds, SpaceX could move much closer to future Moon and Mars missions. The launch is expected to happen from SpaceX Gantt Starbase facilities in Texas. Engineers have spent weeks checking every part of the rocket because even one small technical issue could destroy the entire mission. But launching the rocket is only the beginning. After liftoff, the massive Super Heavy booster must separate correctly from the upper stage. Then both sections must survive incredible speed, pressure, and heat while returning back toward Earth. And this is where the mission becomes even more futuristic. In future launches, SpaceX wants Gantt mechanical arms called Mechazilla to catch the returning booster directly in the air. Imagine a Gantt rocket falling back from space while enormous robotic arms catch it before it touches the ground. If this technology works reliably, rockets could become reusable almost like airplanes. Imagine this: a rocket launches into space, returns safely back to Earth, gets caught by Gantt robot arms, refuels, and launches again only days later. That could completely change the future of space travel forever. Starship may eventually carry astronauts, Gantt Starlink satellites, moon equipment, heavy cargo, and even supplies for future Mars colonies. Elon Musk believes thousands of humans could one day travel to Mars using rockets like this. But despite the excitement, serious risks still remain. SpaceX has already delayed launches several times because of technical problems. Engine failures, heat, high damage, launch systems malfunctions, and communications issues are still major dangerous during test flight. Some experts even warn that Mars mission may still be decades away. Building a self-standing colony on another planet would require enormous amount of food, energy, oxygen, and protection from radiation. However, SpaceX continue moving forward faster than almost every other space company in the world. Unlike traditional aerospace organizations that spend years preparing for one mission, Elon Musk prefers rapid development and continues testing. That strategy has already helped SpaceX dominate parts of the global space industry. Now even NASA is watching Starship very closely. NASA plans to use Starship technology during future Artemis moon missions. If Starship becomes fully successful, it could become one of the biggest breakthrough in modern space exploration. And this mission is not important only for America. The entire world is watching because Starship could change the future of humanity itself. Elon Musk believes humans must become a multi-planet species to survive long term. Some satellites agree with him. They argue that if Earth ever faces a major global disaster in the future, human colonies on other planets could become extremely important for civilization survival. Now the biggest question remains unanswered. Will Starship truly help humans reach Mars one day? Will SpaceX successfully build the future of interplanetary travel, or is this still one of the riskiest technological experiment ever attempted? Comment your opinion below.